industry survey will shape discussion on real world challenges and opportunities in commercial drone operations. Commercial UAV Expo has announced its opening keynote for the 2026 event, placing industry operators at the center of the conversation. The session, titled The View from the Field: What Operators, Pilots, and Fleet Managers Are Saying About the Commercial Drone Industry, will take place on September 1st at Caesars Forum in Las Vegas. The keynote will draw from findings in the upcoming State of the Industry Survey 2026, a joint effort by Commercial UAV News and Pilot Institute. The survey aims to capture insights from professionals working across commercial drone operations, including pilots, fleet managers, and compliance specialists. Bringing frontline perspectives to the stage, the keynote will present data gathered directly from those operating drones in real world environments. Organizers say this approach will provide a grounded view of current trends, challenges, and opportunities. Matt Collins, content manager at Commercial UAV News, will share key findings from the survey. He will be joined by Greg Reverdio, co-founder of Pilot Institute, for a discussion on what the data reveals about the industry's direction. This keynote will put voices of UAV operators at the center of the conversation, said Greg Reverdio, co-founder of Pilot Institute. We want to hear directly from the people doing the work every day. Their perspective is invaluable as the industry navigates evolving regulations, shifting supply chains, and new technological capabilities. I encourage every pilot and operator to participate when the survey is launched. Your input will directly shape what we present at Commercial UAV Expo and help the entire industry understand where we need to focus. Key issues facing the industry. The survey will address several major topics that continue to shape commercial drone adoption. These include regulatory developments such as the FAA's proposed Part 108 framework for Beyond Visual Line of Sight (BVLOS) operations, as well as the impact of the FCC covered list on equipment procurement. Other areas of focus include workforce development, airspace access, and the growing role of automation and AI-assisted systems. Data security and overall business outlook will also be explored. This survey is an opportunity to move beyond speculation and bring real data to the conversation about where the commercial drone industry stands today, said Matt Collins, content manager at Commercial UAV News. We want to understand where operators see opportunity, where they're hitting roadblocks, and what they believe needs to change. The findings from this survey will set the stage for meaningful discussions throughout the entire event. A data-driven look at industry direction. Industry surveys have become an important tool for understanding how drone programs are evolving. As commercial operations scale, the gap between policy and practice often becomes more visible. Feedback from operators can highlight where regulations support growth and where they create friction. In recent years, topics such as BVLOS operations, supply chain constraints, and workforce readiness have moved from theory to daily operational concerns. A structured survey helps quantify these experiences and identify patterns across sectors. By focusing on real-world input, the keynote aims to provide attendees with actionable insights rather than broad forecasts. This approach reflects a shift in the industry toward measurable performance and operational reliability. Event details and participation. Commercial UAV Expo 2026 will take place from September 1st-3 in Las Vegas. The opening keynote will set the tone for the event, with survey findings expected to inform discussions throughout the conference. The State of the Industry Survey 2026 will launch in the coming weeks. Industry professionals can sign up for updates and participation details through the event website. Pilot Institute will also host the Pilot Hub on the show floor. The space will offer daily talks, training guidance, and networking opportunities focused on FA certifications and career development. As the commercial drone sector continues to mature, events like Commercial UAV Expo are increasingly focused on practical insights. This year's keynote reflects that shift, turning attention to the people who operate drones every day and the realities they face in the field.